Today we will discuss about move elements with arrow keys in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share also. An object can also be moved in the Revit with the help of selecting an arrow key. This movement can only be vertical or horizontal. To do this, select the object and move the object with the help of keyboard arrow keys. The object will move in the same direction as the arrows indicates. Shift key is used to increase the movement of objects from the arrow keys. Using the shift key, the object movement is 10 times greater than the without using shift key. Let's look it practically. Let's draw a model line on this wall edge. And move this wall once using arrow with shift key. Now let's bring back this wall from the arrow key without using shift key. Please count it. We had to press the arrow keys 10 times to bring the wall edge aligned to the model line. You can't use the arrow keys to move a level-based element up or down from the level. That's why we create a section view. The object is moving in the right and left direction with the help of arrow keys in the section view. But the up and down direction arrow keys will not move the object. So, in today's topic, we have studied the move elements with arrow keys. I hope you understand it. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.